boys and girls. All right, so today, this will be very similar to yesterday. So yesterday we were talking about adding numbers to 10, and we were also talking about double flat cards. So to start off today, I'm going to show you some of these double 10 cards, and you're going to guess the number you need to make 20. So if we look at this card, how many do you see on top? 10. How many do we see at the bottom? I see 5, 6, 7. So how many do I have there total right now? 10, 15, 16, 17. Very good. How many more do I need to make 20 here? 3. Nice job. So 17 plus 3 is going to give me 20. All right, now I'm going to show you a card very quickly, and then you have to guess the number to make 20, okay? So let me make this a little bigger here. Okay, here's our next card. Ready? Look at it good. Okay, how many more would you need to make 20? All right, let's take a look at it. So we had how many here? 11. So I would need 9 more to make 20. Very good. Let's look at the next one. Count how many you have. Okay, how many more would you need to make 20? All right, let's see if you were right. So I see real fast. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I need 6 more to make 20. I have 6 empty boxes there. Okay, let's do one more. Take a look at it. How many more do you need to make 20? Good, friends. This one's 0. All my boxes are full. There's already 20 there, so I don't need any more to make 20. That answer would be 0. All right, let's look down here. So we have some penguins today, okay? And my penguins today are going to add up to the number 14. So before I show you what's under these cards, think about some ways you can make 14. So take a minute. Think of 2 numbers that would equal 14. Okay, well, I could think of some numbers that equal 14. I know that 10 plus 4 would give me 14. And I know my doubles fact that 7 plus 7 would give me 14. And I know that very easy one, that 14 plus 0 is going to give me 14. Okay, so those are some facts we have that we know get us to 14. But I have some special penguins under here, so I need to see what they have that's going to get me to 14. So let's uncover my first card. How many penguins do you see under this first card? Very good. I see 4. How many more penguins do I need to get to 14 if I have 4 uncovered? How many do you think is on the other card? 4 plus what is going to give me 14? All right, let's take a look. How many penguins are here? 10. Very good. So my equation for this would be 4 plus 10 equals 14. Nice job. Very good. 4 plus 10 equals 14. Now, if I cover these back up, I want another equation using these penguins. So this time I'm going to uncover 10. We're going to start with 10 this time. 10 plus how many more is going to get me to 14? Very good. 4. 10 plus 4 is going to get me to 14. Now I want to try and make a subtraction problem out of this. If I'm making a subtraction problem, what number am I going to start with? Right, I'm going to start with my total number of penguins, which is 14. What subtraction problem can I make? 14 minus what? What if I start with this one? What would my subtraction problem be? 14 minus what? Good, 14 minus 10 leaves me with how many can I still see? I can still see 4. Very good. If I want to do another subtraction problem, so I have 14, okay, and I cover this side. What's my equation this time? Good. 14 minus 4 equals 10. Nice job. Great job, my friends. Okay, let's look at our next one. The next one, my total this time is going to be 13. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We need to equal 13. How many penguins do you see here? Good, I see 6. What plus 6 gives me 13? How many do you think are going to be on the other side? Okay, let's look. How many do you see? 7. Very good. 6 plus 7 equals 13. What other equation can I make? Let's use that commutative property and let's use these flashcards. What other addition equation can I make to equal 13? Well, if I cover up this side first, how many is here? 7 plus, how many more gives me 13? 6. Very good. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Okay. So we had 7 showing. Whoop. Well, that went crazy. There we go. We had 7 showing. Then we can see that there's 6 under here, and that equals 13. All right, guys, I want to do subtraction now. So I'm doing subtraction. What am I starting with? I'm starting with my total number. So I have how many penguins altogether? 13. Very good. If I have 13 and I take away this one right here, what's my equation going to be? Good. You should have said 13 minus 6 equals 7. Whoops. Sorry, my pen's being silly. All right, so now let's do another one. If I start with 13 altogether, and this time I take away this many, what's my equation going to be this time? Good. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Nice job. Very good. All right, let's look at the last one here. This time, I don't know how many penguins I have. We're going to have to figure it out. So let's uncover these penguins. So what do we see on this side? How many do you see? Good. I see 9. How many do you see on this side? 4. How many do I have all together? 13. Very good. I have 13 there. So friends, what's my first equation going to be by how I uncovered these? So I uncovered this side first, and then I uncovered this side. What addition equation can I write there? Good. I can write 9 plus 4 equals 13. Nice job. Okay, now, what if these are covered back up, and I do this side first, and I want an addition equation? What would my addition equation be this time? I could see this side. Good. 4 plus, got to add my other side in, 9 equals 13. Very good. Okay, now I want to do a subtraction one. Can you think of a subtraction problem here? So I have 13 total, and I'm going to cover this side up. What would my subtraction equation be?
Mommy,
It would be 13 minus 9 equals 4. Very good. So what if I want to do a subtraction equation? So I have them all showing again. I take away this side. Now what do I have? Good. 13 minus 4 equals 9. Very good, boys and girls. All right, we're going to keep practicing these equations. See you guys next time.